Iminyaka idama imigletha balithungela amanzi abahlali namafama lenginqi yaseGiyani zilale ezingama-52 zixhomekeke kweli dama kodwa ngoku umthamo wamanzi uhleli kumyinga ka-10%.
The dam, instead of getting full, it was being emptied. And checking, we realized that the dam was closed. We sought for advices. That's where we realized that the dam, ZZ2, has closed the dam, has closed the streams coming from Muketse coming to the dam to fill it. That's where we realized, and then we sought for the experts to come and assist.
Kwezinye inginqi imilambo iyaphuphuma ngenxa yemvula zakutshanje kodwa idama imigletha lomile.
All the tributary streams and the rivers that supplied this dam have been closed. We can see that it's not filling up, even with so much rain that we've had this past month. We can see that somewhere along the tributary streams, someone has closed off the stream.
Umasipala wesithili Mopani uthi salinde ingxelo esuka kwisebe lezamanzi kuphando lwayo ngezizityholo zetyatyo ofanzile zokuvala amanzi njengokoluphando lusaqhuba abahlali banxaniwe. Uthi kunqongophala kwamanzi ingxaki enkulu basebenzisa amanzi emvula ukuhlamba impahla zabo.
It's not something for yesterday. For many years now we have tried to engage the relevant structures like the Greater Giyani Municipality, the Mopani, about the matter. You know, they just come and go, promises and do everything that they think they can convince us to keep quiet.
Ziwe phansi inzame zokuqhagamshelana nofanzile.